today we are very, very pleased to have received the report from the polling firm that we had contracted in our last management meeting. That report clearly shows that out of about 15 aspirants for the Malava parliamentary seat, there is one candidate who stands head and shoulders above all, and his name is Seth Pinyako.
I'm very much grateful for the party to have shown confidence in me and nominated me as the candidate for Malava parliamentary seat. I want to assure the party and the people of Malava that I'm equal to the task. And I want to assure the party that people of Malava have decided to vote for DAP Kenya and to vote for me as the next member of parliament.